In this video, I'll show you how to fold down the rear seats of your Kia Rio. This works with many different model years. So the first thing we need to do is to go on the rear seats, and you're going to notice there's a small lever here. You need to pull it up like this, and once it's in the up position, you're going to bring the bench down like that until it's flat. Now this is great. We just need to do the same thing on the other side, and this works with the hatchback and the sedan model. It's absolutely the same process. So you're going to find this lever on the side, pull it up, and at the same time bring the bench down manually, you see, like that, until it's flat. This way you have more space to put a bike or even some TV boxes. Now you need to bring the front seats forward if you need to have more space, and when you're done, simply clip it back in place. Make sure that it's secure and that the lever goes down once it's on the vertical position. Do the same thing with the other side, and this is it. This is how you fold down the rear seats of your Kia Rio. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.